Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my lovely cousin with me, Amanda. So this video was inspired because scratch that. This video we decided to do our makeup really quick to do a late night photo shoot. So we'll definitely show you guys how that picture turned out. But this is my first time doing my own makeup, and you guys will watch me struggle pretty much because this is really hard and I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I did pretty good if I do say so myself. Can you so without further ado, I said without further ado. Now it just sounds weird. But without further ado, just don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And let's get right into the video. What is that quarter? Okay, so right here I'm doing my eyebrows, and it don't really look like I know what I'm doing, but I promise y'all my eyebrows be on fleek. Damn, look at me, I look so stressed. Okay, next for the concealer. Oh crap, I messed up. That's funny. Look. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using two different shades. Why? Because I have two different shades, one for the summer when I get a little darker, and one when I'm just my regular shade. But I started mixing them together and I found that it looks better, so that's why I'm doing that. Oh, sorry. I didn't see your Twinkie. I mean, whatever it is. Okay, so for concealer, I'm just using my basic concealer by, damn, I don't even know. But this is how I see everybody be doing the little concealer thing, so that's why I'm doing this. 'Cause I don't know. Right here, I remember being so stressed out because I was just like fanning away the powder for so long and it just would not come off. And I was like, dang, I done messed up my whole face. Like, dang. Okay, so now this is the the hardest part for me. Like for some people, like my cousin for instance, the eyeshadow is the easiest part. Like I don't know, like it's so hard to me because what? I don't get it. Like at this part right here, I feel like I was just patting color on top of color because my cousins kept trying to tell me to blend and it just was not blending.
Oh my god, no. I messed up. Big time. but it looks so good. I wouldn't say so good, but it looks decent. I'm done with that because that was really hard. But the next thing I'm gonna do using my eye candy. Oh. Oh my god, look. I'm so I really want the lashes. I can't do anything, man. And then you know I'm gonna do this. I'm talking to the camera.
So I decided to try again. Like, I just have to laugh at myself because why? Like, why did I think it was alright? Obviously, I can't even speak. So, yeah, just yeah. And as always, I'm going to wipe off my entire face with makeup because I suck. Like, I got glue all over my eyes. Nothing's gonna fix anything. And so I just decided to do what I should have done in the first place anyway, by putting on mascara. So that's as much for lashes as I'm gonna get, so hey, whatever.